Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how to create key value pair in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till then so that you can understand it completely, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Automate Desktop you can create a key value pair using convert JSON to object action. So you can go to the variables, and from here you can drag the convert JSON to custom object. First of all, why do we need to have this key value pair? It is required to have sometimes you want to store your project's configuration data in key value pair. For example, if you are going to use a URL somewhere in your Power Automate desktop bot, so you can store it as a key value pair so that you can just pass the key of that uh, variable, then you will get the value. Consider that to create a key value pair I will use this curly bracket. Inside that I will specify, let's say my key is going to be project name, and I'll keep the value as test project, and then let's say you want to specify the bot name, so you can say that bot1. If you want to specify the date time, or let's say you want to specify the wait time, if it is required for you to have, wait time you can specify as a static value. For example, if somewhere in your bot you are using a hard-coded wait time, so you will use this key value pair so that you can directly access it from the JSON object. Later on, if you require to change this value, you can directly come at this place and change the value, so it will be changed everywhere, so you will not have to go to the each and every subflow and make the changes in the action, right? And let's say if you want to store the URL, so you can say URL and you can give the path, which is www.google.com, right? So what I will do is I can rename this, so which is convert JSON as custom object. So this is going to be the variable which will store our key value pair. Here you have this on error property where you can specify if it fails for some reason, so you can specify the retry policy. So if you choose the fixed, then you will have to specify the times, how many times you want to retry it. So let's see if I specify 2 and add the interval of 5 seconds. So this timing is given in terms of seconds, right? And you can specify it up to 360 seconds, correct, which will be around 6 minutes. Okay, and then you have here exponential where you can specify the minimum and maximum time, right? As of now I'll keep it as none. I will click on return to parameters, and then I will click on save, right? Now let's say now I will right click and say run from here. So execution is completed. I will look for the variable which is JSON. So now here you can see that you have key value pair, right? you have this project name which is test project, you have this bot name which is having the bot1, wait time is 2 seconds, and URL is www.google.com. Consider that I want to use this variable in my project. So what I will do is I will go to browser automation and I will take launch a new Microsoft Edge, and here what I will do is I will specify the variable name which is JSON as custom object, and in this I will specify the key which is URL. So when I will use this key URL, so it will give me www.google.com. in the Windows state I can specify as maximized, and here in the advanced you can set more settings which is wait for page to load, and here you can also specify the timer on page load, and the browser instance will be stored in the browser variable. I will click on save, and then let's say I want to use the wait time as well. I will go to the flow control, and from here I will use wait, and here what I will do is I will use again JSON as custom object, and here I will specify the key as wait time. I will click on save, and now what I will do is I will right click on it and then I'll say run from here. And here you can see that my bot has been able to navigate to google.com website, right? Now what we can do is, let's say I want to search something. To search it, what I will do is I will go to web form filling, and I will click on popular text field, and here what I will do is I will click on UI element. I will say add UI element, and then here I will search, select this element, and here I will search sports. Okay, and after this I will copy it, paste it here again. What I will do this time is I will increase the wait time, which is, it was 2 seconds, so this time I'll make it 6 seconds. Okay, and now what I will do is I will click on search button. To do that I will use click link on web page, and then I will click add UI element, and this time I will select Google search, and I will click on save. Okay, now I will close this browser and I will run the bot again. As you can see, the bot has been able to navigate to the web page. Now it is again waiting for 6 seconds. After this it will click on search. One important thing that we have about the convert JSON to custom object is that you will not have to use set variables for multiple times. For example, if you are supposed to have the same information which we have used in the convert JSON to custom object, let's say I wanted to have a variable which is going to be like project name, here I could have given this project, and again I will use the set variable action to store the bot name, which is bot1. So this way what will happen is you will have more number of actions, correct? So in that sense you will see that if you use convert JSON to custom object, it will be more useful, right? It will have only one action, and inside that you can specify multiple uh, key value pair which you can utilize in your project. That will also help you to organize your actions and subflows, and it will also reduce the number of actions used in your project, right? So if you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.